How to fix Apple Pay keeps asking me to update shipping contact. First, you will need to load up your settings. Then here we will use the search bar to search for wallet, and you want to select this option, wallet and Apple Pay. Once you click on it, then here you will need to scroll down until you see the option for shipping address, and you will need to do this for all of the cards which you use. Simply click on shipping address. Then you will enter a new shipping address here. You will type the address which you want to use. So for example, I will do an address, and it's gonna detect all of the addresses which are near you. Simply select the one which you need to use, and then you will need to provide your first, last name. Make sure all of the information here matches the one on your card, also the postal code. And after you have filled out this information, click on done in the top right corner, and that's how you do it. You need to do this for all of the cards. Make sure that the address is correctly written. It is going to be case sensitive, so pay attention to that as well. And that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.